Presenting, iQOO 15 smartphone. It is available in 12GB plus 256GB and 16GB plus 512GB. It is available in colors, Alpha and Legend. This smartphone has 12GB RAM and 256GB internal storage. It has Samsung 2K, M14 OLED display for the first time ever in Android. India's brightest display with 2600 nits HBM and 6000 nits local peak brightness. It also comes with an anti-reflective film. It has triple camera setup, 50-megapixel Sony 3x periscope camera, 50-megapixel Sony VCS true color camera, 50-megapixel ultra-wide-angle camera, with an upgraded 32-megapixel selfie camera and 4K video recording. Humanistic street photography camera, along with AI visual effects, and AI reflection erase. It has Origin OS 6 first time ever, in iQOO out of the box with 5 years of OS updates, and 7 years of security patches. It comes with Origin Island, Office Kit, lock screen customization. It has 7000 mAh 4th gen silicon anode battery, with 100 watts flash charge, and 40 watts wireless charging. The box contains cell phone, eject tool, warranty card, quick start guide, phone case, charger and USB cable. This product comes with standard brand warranty. Pay online using UPI, debit, credit card, Amazon Pay, net banking and cash on delivery. For EMI options, replacement policy and further information visit the product detail page. Keep shopping with Amazon.